Hello heroes, today is day 16 of 100 days of Dad Magic. So for today's extraordinary piece of Dad Magic, I bring you the 3 paper ball game. It's a simple guessing game. All you need to do is guess how many balls I have in my hand. Now, I'll even show you. We'll take 2 of the balls, put them in my hand, and we'll take the 3rd one, put that in my pocket. So how many balls are in my hand? 2, right? Wrong, because there's all 3 again. I know, you got to watch closely. I'll do it again for you, but watch this time as I take 1, 2, put them in my hand, and I take the 3rd and put it in my pocket. How many are in my hand? 2. No, come on, it's all 3. Look, 3rd time lucky. We'll take 1, 2, put them in my hand, take the 3rd, put that one in my pocket. How many are in my hand? Yeah. You didn't say 3, did you? Not 3, because this time they've all disappeared. I know, it's a scam, a swindle. You were cheated. But to make sure you don't fall prey of this in the future, here is the secret. So the secret to the 3 paper ball game is that there is, in actual fact, 4 paper balls. So the game works by only having 3 balls in play at any one time because the 4th ball is hidden in your hand. Now, if you hold it like this, you can still use your thumb and forefinger to pick up things whilst concealing that 4th ball. So you're going to pick the first 2 paper balls up, and as you put them in your hand, you're simply going to open your hand up and drop all 3 balls in your hand. So you're 1 ahead. Now you're going to place this in your pocket, and as you place it in your pocket and you bring your hand out, you secretly bring that ball out with it. Now, you can say how many in my hand, 1, 2, whatever you like, and they're going to guess, but you, of course, you show all 3. Rearrange them, say you'll do it again. You pick up 1, 2, open up your hand and drop all 3 into your hand. Take the 4th one, put that in your pocket. This time, you actually leave it there. So you come back out again like this, how many in the hand, but at this point, you can open your hand. This is a nice little moment if anyone is watching closely. So, they're going to guess 2 or maybe 3 again. If they guess 2, you can laugh at them. If they guess 3, then you can congratulate them. Whatever, there's always going to be a winner. Now, the 3rd time is a bit different because you're going to do a secret move. You're going to pick up the first 2 balls like you would before, but you're just going to put your thumb on them and pretend to put them in your hand and instantly squish them down into this position here. This allows you to then pick up the 3rd ball while secretly concealing the other 2. As you put the 3rd ball into your pocket, you're just going to drop those other 2 off as well and have them guess what's inside your hand. Now, if both of the last times they guessed 2, they're definitely going to bet 3 this time. And that is the moment when you can go, ha ha ha, and show that they have all disappeared. Now, the cool thing about this trick is that you can use literally anything you want as long as you have 4 of them. For example, you could use like the good old-fashioned English tea bag, or, you know, those little pom-poms that you get in the craft sets, you know, those little squidgy pom-pom balls. Or you could even use cotton wool balls, even though they like, when they rub and, no, well, not cotton wool balls for me anyway. I don't know, do they do that to you? That little, yeah, I've got to stop thinking about that. Anyway, you get the idea. You can use different stuff. So that has been day 16 of 100 days of Dad Magic. And as always, folks, if you like what I'm doing here, please consider following the channel and sharing with other parents around the world to see if that we can help all parents around the world Shazam, confuse, befuddle, and amuse their kids. And of course, remember, when you can, be more than just a hero.